then standing here in the Copenhagen Zoo's facility where we breed bombinas and other frogs from Denmark. This is our Bombina breeding center, and this tank here we have some displays and animal where we can show our visitors how we breed the Bombina. Why we breed the Bombina is because in 2006 a big area flooded in a little island called Hjort Island, and there was only 4 frogs left where we've come, and then we breed them here because the flood is with salt water, and the frog cannot live in salt water, so many frogs were dying there. So we get them into the facility, and we have some tanks here I can show you. Those tanks we have mature Bombina, and we bred them in the spring. You can see the straw here, they clay their eggs tied to the straw, and when they have to do that, we take the straw out and get them in small tanks. We have October now, and in I think a week or so we take them out and get them in hibernation in a fridge with 5 degrees during over the winter. And then we have some other species down here. This is the first year. I think they have digged them down in the soil, but what was that? It was
Spade-foot toads.
Spade-foot toads, yeah.
Yeah.
But there's nothing so much to see there. Then we have the tanks with small tapples in, and we have some water where they have the same temperature as in here in the room. So we provide not to get fresh water from just the pipelines. So there are some chlorine or stuff like that. So this is better. In here in the next room we have some offsprings from this year, 2009. This is our own breeding, gene number 1, and we get them separate from the gene strain number 3. This is a whole back line we have in here. So we are just closing down for the winter now.
Great.
Yes.
And in here we've got some natterjack toads, have we?
Yeah. We get them in for about, I think it was last year.
And these are native species as well.
Yeah, and they're native born, and we get them in for a little pond where there was a big threat of fish, because the fish was eating all the small tapples. So we get them in, and we will try to breed them here next year, I think.
Excellent. Right, that's fantastic.
Okay.
Thanks very much.
Yeah.